Welcome back to the Technical Guide. In the last video, I have shown you how to work with blocks. In this video, I will show you how to work with attributes. Let's go into the video.
Attributes. Attributes are one of the most important topic. So using attributes we can create this title blocks. So you can see here in this drawing sheet we have created a title block. So now let's see how to create a title block. For suppose I am creating a basic title block. Just draw a block here. Let's take the center point. So now I have prepared a title box, a basic title block. So here you can enter the text, single line or multi-line, either text you can take. So I will go for single line text and just give the height and rotational angle. So I will give Technical CAD. So that is a title, you can give anything. So but from here I can change. So here I will give name and escape, and now I will start copying. So I will go for copy. I will use this base point because to place the object correctly in the boxes. So now after placing that we can edit. I will go for scale, client, date. Okay. So now what we have to do is, so these are the titles. So we need attributes. So basically attributes are, so whenever we enter the blocks, automatically it prompts you to edit the details in that block. So I will show you. Just I have a template here. So as soon as I insert the object, I mean that block, so automatically it will prompt me to edit the details. So what is a block name? So issued for approval. So these details can be edited at later time also, no problem. So now coming back to this, just go for create attribute. So define attributes. You can get the shortcut as attdisp. So press that, and now here we have a different types of modes: invisible, constant, verify, preset, like that. And here go for tag. So you can give tag anything. So name, prompt. So I will give same thing. By default it's a name. So just text settings, justification, where the text should lie in the box. So let it be, I will directly do it with a mouse. Okay, and now I'll go for the same place. Now see, both are looking like as a text, but this one is a text and this one is an attribute. So you can see the names, I mean the quick properties. As soon as you place the mouse on the object, so you can see the property there. So text, and here it's a attribute definition. So now go for, again do the same thing. I'll go for scale here, prompt scale, let it be 1:1. Okay. So you can track and now do the same thing again until client and date. Just go for the client, prompt client, and default you can say anything. So I will go for technical CAD. Give OK, and I'll place the same thing here. Now go for date, prompt also let it be date, and here select this one. Here you can select the date, go for date and time here, and select the format, whatever format you need. So you can create the date that. So field expression will be available here, and so let's take 20 June 2020. So 26/2020. Okay, give OK and do. So now you can see it here. Now make it as a block. Select all the objects and give B, enter. So B, enter. So now give a name as a title block. So title block, and pick point. So this corner is my pick point. Just convert into a block, or you just delete this. And 14 objects have been got selected. Okay. So now go for insert title block. So place that. So as soon as you will get the prompt, so you can edit. So today's date is 20, right? Sorry, 20. Client is let it be technical CAD. Let it be technical CAD. Now scale is 1:1. Name you can type it as a any flange. You can go for flange or anything. Okay. So now you see here the things automatically changes to flange 1:1, 20, and technical CAD. So like this. So whenever you insert an block with the attributes, it will prompt you to edit the details, update. So now you can see. So this is my drawing sheet. Whenever I insert this, so what will happen means here I didn't mention anything. I mean drawn by, checked by. So I need to update for every drawing. So for that purpose, it's not that much easy to create text every day. So that's why what I have done is I have created attributes and convert it into a block. So then what will happen means, so whenever I insert the block, it will prompt for editing. So then I will edit according to that project. I mean, so the drawn by names, unchecked by names, approved by names, that and all will be changed for every project. According to that project, I will edit this. So no need of doing text again and again. So that's a simple thing. So now you forgot to edit these things when inserting. So then again, if you want to edit that, what is the thing is, you can edit attribute. For that, a command is attedit, attribute edit, and give enter, and it will ask for select block reference. Select the block. Now here you can get the prompt. So okay, you can edit according to your requirement. So name is somewhat big, so I'll let it short. So now you can see. So if you want to reduce the text size, if you double click here, text options is there, so then you can go for height, you can reduce the height. Okay, so for that command is eattedit. So previously we have seen attedit, and now we are going to see eattedit. Enter. Now select the block. So in attribute edit only we can edit the value. It's not possible to edit the text options and properties, but in enhanced attribute editor we can edit text options as well as properties. Anyhow, values also we can edit here. You can see the layers, colors. If you want, you can change the colors also. And text options, here you can reduce or increase the height and width factor, oblique angle. So these are all the things available here. So this is the enhance block editor. And now coming back to the setting, we have another command called battman. Enter. Now go. So here you can see, here we have tag, prompt, default modes and annotations, template and title block. So I have selected title block, and here I can edit whatever. So I'll go for settings. You can see display, tag, prompt, default modes, everything you can select. I mean, you can see. And here you can select date and you can edit. So there you can edit the tag name, prompt name and default, and also text options, also properties. But in enhanced attribute edit, so it's not possible to change tag and prompt. But in battman, I mean block attribute manager, we can edit everything. So we can edit value, prompt and tag. So we can create a mode also, we can change it to invisible. So if I give OK and apply OK, so here I'll go for attdisp. So here attdisp is on condition, so that's why. So after invisible also it's visible. So if I go for normal, now you can see, so it's invisible, because in attribute display there are three conditions. One is normal, one is on and one is off. If we off the display of attribute, it will get automatically switch off. If we give on, so whatever condition you give, it will be in on condition. And normal, in this normal, it will act according to that condition. So if you in mode, if you give invisible, so it will get invisible. So like that. Now go for battman again, give enter. Now select the date, go for edit. Here select the invisible. Okay, so these are the attribute options, mode options are there. So verify, okay, apply, okay. So if you enter the details, it will ask for 2 times. So whenever you enter, so it will ask you to verify. So just I'll go for insert. So I'll give OK. Now you see, so like this we can edit the attributes.
Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you.